Hey there, language rock stars. Welcome to the Everyday English Café. I'm Joey, your friendly English buddy who loves pizza and big smiles. Today, we're starting from the very beginning with Lesson 1, and trust me, it's going to be super fun and easy.
Hi, everyone. I'm Phoebe, and I'm really excited to help you start your English-speaking journey. In this first lesson, we're going to learn how to greet people and say hello in natural, friendly ways. This is the first step to making new friends and feeling confident in English.
That's right. Greetings are like the secret handshake of every language. They open doors, start conversations, and make people feel welcome. We'll practice different greetings, give you time to repeat, and even do a little role play together. Ready to get started?
Absolutely. We'll break down each greeting, give you some fun tips, and by the end, you'll be ready to say hello to anyone, your friends, your teacher, or even your neighbor's dog. Let's jump into our first set of greetings.
All right, let's start with the 3 most common ways to greet someone in English. First, we have hello, which you can use anytime with anyone. Next is hi, which is a bit more casual but still friendly. And, my favorite, hey. Super chill and perfect for friends.
Great explanations, Joey. Now, let's practice together. I'll say each greeting slowly, and you repeat after me. Ready? First, hello. Pause for repetition. Second, hi. Pause for repetition. And third, hey. Pause for repetition. Take your time and say each one with a smile.
Awesome job! Did you know that when you smile while you say these words, you sound more confident and friendly? Smiling also helps your pronunciation. Try it with me. Hello. Pause. Hi. Pause. Hey. Pause. See? It feels good, right?
You're doing fantastic. Remember, these greetings are perfect for starting conversations and making people feel welcome. Practice them out loud, even if you're just talking to yourself or your pet goldfish. The more you repeat, the better you'll sound.
Now, let's level up and talk about greetings you can use depending on the time of day. In the morning, instead of just hello, you can say good morning. In the evening, try good evening. And when it's time to sleep, say good night.
Exactly. These phrases are super common. Let's practice together. I'll say each one, and you repeat after me. Good morning. Pause. Good evening. Pause. Good night. Pause. Remember, don't mix them. Just use one at a time for the right moment.
Quick tip. Don't say hello, good morning, just pick one. For example, if you see your friend in the morning, say good morning. Or if you're leaving in the evening, say good night. Easy, right? It's all about matching your greeting to the time.
Great advice, Joey. And here's a bonus. When you use these time-based greetings, you sound more natural and polite. Try them with people you know or even with someone new. It's a great way to make a good impression.
Let's put everything together with a quick role play. I'll pretend to meet Phoebe in the morning. Listen and repeat after us. Ready? Hi, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm great. And you?
I'm good too, thank you. Now it's your turn, listeners. Pretend you are Phoebe and answer me after I say, Hi, good morning. Pause for listener response. See? You're already having a conversation in English.
Let's review what we've learned today. Repeat after me. Hello, hi, hey, good morning, good evening, good night. How are you? I'm good, thank you. Say each one slowly and clearly. Pause for repetition after each phrase.
Now, here's your English challenge of the day. First, try saying hello or hi to 3 people you see today. Second, say good morning to someone and remember to smile. Third, talk to yourself in English for 1 minute maybe in front of a mirror.
That's awesome. Practicing out loud is the best way to build confidence. You're doing amazing and every little step counts. Next time you see someone, don't be shy, just say hello and see what happens.
We're so proud of you. Thank you for joining us for Lesson 1 of Everyday English Café. Next time, we'll show you how to introduce yourself. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, you're a language superstar.